All right, round two. I told him it was probably going to fall like that. It got hit by another tree on the top. He's going to get it pinched this time, I think. Oh, he's going to go for he's going to chop it out. Oh, he got a pinch. You gotta cut some over here. You gotta cut some of those. You gotta cut some of those branches. It's resting on those branches over there. Gotta teach Joe Snowmobile Senior how to cut trees down. Oh, I see why it's, hold on, I see why it's not falling. What? Look at a little higher up. See all those vines holding it up? Going up to the other tree. See up here? Look at this. Right here.
Oh, up there.
Look at all these vines.
Right there.
Look at that.
Yeah.
They go all the way up there.
Yeah, well, Jack, be careful.
All the way up to that tree where there's another nest. See, they just probably run right up and down that vine, those squirrels. Yeah.
I want to cut it right there.
All right, Grandpa's gonna cut it again. What the heck is he doing over here? Look out. I'm telling you, it's those vines. Those vines. Those vines are... Look at those vines, it's still holding it up. That's hilarious. Alright, we'll get the vines now. There's one. Hey, you gotta get the ones on the top. You gotta get the ones on the top. I told you. Now he's gonna bend it. He's gonna bend my new blade. I'm gonna have to take it back for a warranty claim already. And he's gonna push it over. It's the vines. Look at those vines holding it all the way up there. Yeah, Jack, good job. Put all those in there for me.